Initially, we were selling sump pumps around the northeastern part of the country. And over the years, we've expanded our line of pumps, and we are now probably the dominant line of wastewater. The growth has just been pretty spectacular to watch.
We are a contract manufacturer, co-packing sauces, dressings, marinades, things like that. We work with restaurants, we work with larger brands like Wegmans and Tops, and we work with startup entrepreneurs to bring their products to life. In 2014, I decided I wanted to make my grandpa's pasta sauce. And there was this guy out here, Coach Tony, who was in the back of an old pizzeria. And I found him, and luckily he took me on as a client, and the rest was history.
We're here at our new site in Bergen, New York. As you can see behind us, we've got an awful lot going on, and very excited with where we are at this process right now. Oxbo is a large equipment manufacturer of agricultural equipment. We make these gigantic, awesome machines that go out into the field and pick the vegetables and the foods that we eat.
The town, its town board and village board and the supervisor recognized that there was a lot of potential being here at an interstate intersection. And so they were very cooperative, encouraging. Didn't really realize at the time how unusual it was to have all the parties agreeable for the same objective at the same time.
The sauce thing has kind of taken off for me, and I approached Coach Tony about buying his business, and he says yes, but also I've already started construction on this building I told you about a couple years ago, and I got really excited. And then over the course of the next few months, as we were talking and finalizing the deal, this building was just going up and up and up.
This site just spoke to us. It was 50 acres of clean farmland. It had a lot of opportunity for growth and expansion. It's going to allow us to expand our operations, expand our reach, expand our global hiring that we do here in this area. We're expecting to see significant job growth in the neighborhood of 60 to 100 employees over the next couple of years in all facets of our business.
The great thing about this park that we're in is that all of the businesses appear to be booming and expanding, and there's construction. I can't remember the last time there wasn't some construction happening in this park.
We had our official groundbreaking back in October, and these guys have made great progress through the winter. As you can see, the steel structure is in place. We're getting the siding on. The office fit out and finish is being worked on. So we're moving along right on pace.
It's been a great partnership, and I think we try to be a great neighbor here and are very supportive of the local community and trying to invest in the local community. And we appreciate the workforce that comes from our local surroundings that has made us so successful.
Thank you to the county for being able to find these sites and to be able to dig out these opportunities for us. Thank you to the town of Bergen. They've been wonderful to work with. They've given us the opportunity to come in and build the project and the building that we needed to be successful.
Can't imagine a better, really just cheerleader for the region, for the county, than somebody like Chris Swazi. I feel like I could call him right now and we'd be together within 24 hours talking about whatever it is that we need at that time.
My sense is just a spirit of wanting to work together to do the right thing and to allow this local community to prosper. I think over the years, all of these different partnerships working so closely together has really contributed to what we're seeing now, which is a filled up park, Liberty Pumps going well, and the EDC being recognized as a great resource for companies that want to expand in this area.